very beautiful.
The Museum of Frida Kahlo's house is really beautiful. It's full of color and personality, and it's really easy to see her walking around and living in this space.
Hola, estamos aquí una vez más en el Museo de Frida Kahlo en Coyoacán, una de las atracciones más bonitas de la Ciudad de México y muy populares con todos los estudiantes. Hello. Hello, hey, I'm Profe, remember me? My gang, check these guys out. Remember I was recruiting you to come to Mexico? Some of you didn't want to come here. I bet you're cold right now, rainy. Look at us, beautiful Coyoacán, enjoying the nice weather. We just went to Frida Kahlo's house. Wasn't it great? And now we're gonna hang around here and eat some churros, nieve, and have some other goodies, and you're gonna be in a Gino C, in a Gino B, in a Gino A. We're here. But you can come next year, right? See you at the recruiting.